Good morning class. Today we are going to start the unit number 10th of the, that is name is circle. Unit name is circle, class 10th, unit number 10th, that is circle. So class, you are very familiar with the circle, that this is your circle, this is center. Distance from center to the circle is radius. So OP equals to radius. Okay, when from the point P it passes through O, goes to the circle, then that PQ is known as diameter. PQ is known as diameter. Now class, if I say a line touching the two points of a circle, and that line is known as chord, CHORD, chord. So class, the maximum length of the chord is diameter. Maximum length of the chord is equals to diameter. Okay class, now if this is your circle, this is your point, when from the center O there is a two radius, that is OAB, then this part is known as sector. This part is known as sector. Again class, this is a circle, this is a sector, that is OAB. Then the line joining AB, the remaining part is segment. Remaining part is segment. Okay class, so of this. Now, if you are saying that if this is a radius, this is also the radius, it is a point AB, so this AB is known as arc. This AB is known as arc. Now class, if I say there is a line passing near the circle, then tell me one thing, this line is touching the circle or not? So no, it is not touching, so it has no intersecting point. No intersecting point. Now class, if another circle is drawn and a line touching the single point, though at that time that line is considered as tangent. उस टाइम में उस लाइन को हम क्या बोलेंगे? टेंजेंट बोलेंगे, और उसका पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट क्या है? सिंगल है. दिस इज नोन एज पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट. ओके, सो इट हैज़ वन पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट. नाउ क्लास, वन मोर थिंग, इफ आई से दिस इज योर सर्कल, so how many line can be drawn from a circle? How many tangent can be drawn on a circle? So we will say that infinite number of tangents can be drawn on a circle. How many? Infinite. Means there is not countable number of lines. Okay. Now class, if one more line is there, that is, this is a circle, a line passing through the circle. So there is a two point of contact is known, then this line is known as secant. It's a secant. So point of contact is 2 point, that is 2 points. Okay class. So class, this is the basic of the class 10th circle part. Now class, there is a two theorems. One is first theorem is What is saying कि if this is a circle and this is the tangent passing through it, so this is the radius O and this is P, and it's a PQ is a length of the tangent. So at that time these tangents make 90 degree with this radius, will make the 90 degree with the radius. Okay class. So at any point if this line is passing like this is your circle, line is passing like this, the line is passing like this, then this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Got it class? So there should be no problem. Okay. Now one more thing कि there is external point P, this is your circle कि external point से कोई tangents आ रही है ऐसे, this is your center, these are the radius, this is O. Then what is the demand of the theorem? That when there is external point and tangent is drawn from that external point, so at that time the length of tangent will be equal. Got it class? At any condition, मतलब पॉइंट बाहर होना चाहिए सर्कल के, उसके बाद हम जो भी सर्कल के ऊपर टेंजेंट्स फॉर्म करेगा वो क्या हो जाएगा, लेंथ उनकी इक्वल हो जाएगी. ओके. एक ही पॉइंट से, डिफरेंट पॉइंट से नहीं, सिंगल पॉइंट से होगा तो ही लेंथ इक्वल होगी, अदरवाइज नहीं होगी. ओके क्लास. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.